What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview of the Monday platform and its different features. Monday is a work management or a project management platform that allows you to manage your projects, your tasks, either for yourself or with your business and your teammates. So it's a pretty cool tool to have if you are running a business or even for your personal life and tasks. So let's get right to it. So as you can see here, I'm on my main dashboard. Here I have my steps remaining to complete my profile. And I have here like the recently viewed workspaces or the boards on my workspace. So basically you set a workspace. Here I have my main workspace and I have set a test workspace just to test it. You can create as many workspaces as you want. So if I click here on the drop down menu, I can search for a workspace. I can view the favorites, I can browse all workspace, or I can add a workspace. So let's add a workspace here called like work tasks. And here I can choose if it's open, team members can join, or closed, it's only for me. And now add the workspace. And in the workspace itself, I can add boards. So here I can view also the members. I can invite members as teammates to view and edit different tasks in this board. Now, let's add a board here. I can add from a template. Here I can have the different templates available, like basic portfolio management, CRM, single project like timeline. I can view here the basic training, project management. I can also browse them by category. So let's say I am managing my work tasks here. So let's say product management. I can here have the features and release like project roadmap, the Kanban software development. And here, let's search, for example, or let's search here for work. Okay, I can here view all the different boards or templates of boards concerning work. So like brainstorming here, work calendar. So I like here the work calendar. I click on it. I can see that integrates with Google Calendars and Zoom. I can view different screenshots here. And if I like, I can click to choose the template. And it's setting up automations. It's setting up the templates here and it will load it up. And here it is. I can view it. So here I have some basic like title setup for this week, for example. A few tips to help you make the most. So I can skip it. So for this week, I can have items. These items can be tasks. They can be like stuff to buy or reminders or anything. So let's say, for example, finish document for client. Okay, I can here view the subtasks. I can add a subtask, like for example, print document, enter, add new subtask, like sign document. Okay, sorry, the item sign document. So I can basically create subtasks here. Sorry, or okay, I added the sign document here. I can drag it if I add it in a wrong place. I can like drag it right here, click and drag it, okay, in here. So print document, let's add it. Okay, I cannot add it under the finished document. So let's add it here. So expand the finished document. Let's say sign document here, and it's now added. Okay. And if I click on a task, I can expand it, document. Okay, if I click on a task, okay, got it. I can expand it, I can open it here. I can write like description, I can attach files, I can add activity log. I can view here in the task view, I have the task view. And for each task or subtask, I can add an owner. I can add a status if it's like stuck, if it's done, it's scheduled, working on it. I can add a priority, high, medium, low. I can add a new date if I want to. I can add assets and I can add new columns. So here I can search for a column. I have like status, text, drop down, date, numbers, formula, checkbox, and files, and so on. Now, if I scroll down, I can here see that I have one item selected, which is the signed document. I can duplicate it, archive it, delete it, convert it, and move it to another task. Or I can view here the apps that are integrated. Now, if I like close this, I can scroll down, or I can view here the calendar view. I can switch to a calendar view. Here, as you can see, I can have the tasks in a calendar view, and it'll show up here any task with a due date that I set. However, I haven't set like a due date for these tasks. I can view the cards. I can view them in like a card view. So here you can set the view as you want. And now here I have my activity. I can view my activity. I can view the integrations, which these cards can integrate with. I can view like if I click on integrations and boards, I can view here that let's in the template, I can view the different integrations. So I can see it integrates with like Slack. I can integrate with Dropbox, with Harvest, with Google Calendar, and with other like services. And now if I go ahead and click on a work calendar to expand it, I can view the work calendar. I can view the team tasks overview here. Okay, any calendar view, and the statuses and the priorities. So if I set the priorities, they will like show me a statistic of them right here. And now if I go back to home, I can view the like the recently viewed boards. And as I told you, this is only in the work tasks workspace. So if I go to the workspace here, I can add different boards. Here I can have the board that I added. I can add different boards here. Let's click on the plus here to add an item to workspace. I can add a new board. I can add a new document, new dashboard. I can choose from template. I can import data from other services like Excel, Google Sheets, Trello, and Jira, and others. I can add apps here, so Microsoft Forms, live snapshots, and so much more. So to show you, if I choose like a new board here, I can even create a new board from scratch, so no need to add from a template if I don't want to. I rename the board to like documents settings, for example. I'm just like making names up just to show you. I can set it as my main, here privacy, my main, so everyone can see it in my account, or a private or shareable, so only me can share it. And now I'm managing like budget, if I'm managing leads, employees, projects. So let's say I'm managing here tasks, and I can create here, click to create the board. And now the board is being created, and it's created. Now the main view is like a in groups here. Each group has many items. I can of course add tasks or items. The tasks are called items. And I can set here the columns like status, persons, date, and priority, and so much more. So here, this is the main view, which is like a basic grid view. I can click here to add another view, which is can be a table, a NAT view, a chart, calendar, Kanban view, and so on. So if I click on Kanban view here, as you can see, I can rename the view, and it'll generate the same a Kanban view based on the same task. So when it's generated, it's now being generated. When it finishes generated, as you can see, it generated like a card view, a Kanban view similar to something like Trello. With the same items, the same tasks, I can move them around here. I can rename the different columns. So like working on it, stuck, done, and let's rename this one, for example, if I can edit the label here. So to edit the label, just go back to the main table, go to the statuses. This is the gray label. I can click on it, or I can click on any label and then edit the labels. So the gray one, let's rename it, for example, almost done. And let's change the color here to, okay, the default color cannot be changed. Okay, I can add new labels if I want to. Now apply. And now if I go to the Kanban view, I can say this list now says almost done. So basically, I can also delete the view if I want to. So delete it right now. So this basically is how to use the Monday.com platform. I can also download the app, so I can download the apps on my mobile, and I can enable desktop notifications on this computer to view any updates if a team member of mine is working like on these tasks. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can use the monday.com platform to manage tasks and projects.